Hello. Hope you guys are doing well. This is a new video that I'm making, and it is all about the products that you need to buy because they are worth every penny that you spend on them. So these are some of the products that I've used till now, and they have been great in my, whether in my daily routine, you can say skin care कह सकते हो, कुछ भी कह सकते हो, they have been a great investment. So I advise you to buy these products because they're not so expensive, but yeah, a little bit on the higher side, but they can make your life a lot easier and better. So let's start with this video. So the first product in this video is this serum. This is by Ordinary. I started using Ordinary after one of my friends suggested it, and it has been a game changer for my skincare because I was suffering from PCOD a long time back, and उसके वजह से मेरे को बहुत एक्ने हो गए थे, and there are some dark spots as well right now. But इसकी वजह से my skin has become a lot bright, a lot healthy, and no matter what, this is my go-to product, and I always love spending on it. The moment it get out of like खत्म हो जाता है तो I instantly buy this one. So this is by Ordinary Niacinamide Serum, and it is an amazing investment product. Ordinary के products you people might know was not available in India before, तो हम लोग minimalist भी use कर सकते थे, but I started it using a long time back. Now they all are available on Nykaa, so that's not an issue, और इतना expensive भी नहीं है, 700-800 से ज़्यादा का नहीं है, and these are very long lasting. Like आप if you are using it once in a day, so that's not a huge problem. Like they won't get used up so easily. So this is a very good investment, guys. Second, another product by Ordinary itself. This is the one. दिस इज मैंडलिक एसिड. सो आप लोगों ने सुना होगा केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन एक चीज़ होती है. सो दिस इज अ माइल्ड केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन विच यू कैन लीव इट ओवरनाइट, एंड दिस इज वेरी हेल्दी फॉर योर स्किन. कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं है. देयर इज मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है आपकी स्किन में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो गई है, लोग केमिकल्स के नाम से ही डर जाते हैं, बट दैट इज़ नॉट एन इशू है. बहुत ज़्यादा स्टडीज़ होती हैं, फॉर्मुलेशंस बनते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स कम्स आउट इन द मार्केट. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस. This is a go-to product for me and for my skin because as you know कि मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब थी, और उसको अच्छा करने के लिए I have included some of the products, invested it. जब मैंने खरीदे थे ना, it was of 1300 rupees because मैंने ये फॉरेन से मंगाए थे, and now you can find them online on Nykaa बहुत easily. मैं सारे links इन सबके description box में डाल दूँगी so that you can buy them easily. And this is mandelic acid, 10% with HA. You have to use it. I still use it twice a week only and not more than that. Though you can use it more, but ठीक है, इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं यूज़ कर सकती हो. मतलब it's fine, it's working fine for me. So use it twice a week at night. And if you are using any kind of activations on your skin, make sure that you wear sunscreen all the time. So that is a disclaimer. And third product in the list is this one. This is a perfume by Bath and Body Works, and I came across this brand when I was going into a mall. They have a very big retail store there, और इसका ये best seller था 1000 Wishes. Though it was a little expensive on the higher side, it prices 1600 rupees. Not so expensive, but a good investment. और quantity भी आप देख सकते हो, इतना बड़ी bottle है that you can use it for a longer period of time. So that is not an issue. Like money is not an issue here because it's a very good fragrance, long lasting fragrance है, soothing fragrance है, एकदम से pinch नहीं करेगी if somebody comes near to you. So it has a very subtle effect. So this is a must buy, guys. Any Bath and Body के बहुत products बहुत अच्छे हैं, so I am going to try some other more as well. Other in the list is another perfume, which is this one. This is of West Side, Studio West Women, Vanilla and Blackcurrant. थोड़ा सा strong smell है, but बहुत अच्छा है, long lasting, with just 1 to 2 sprays, and you can feel the effect, and it's very light, very nice, very good fragrance. I really love it. and it's a very good investment, guys. Not so expensive as well. I will put down all the links in the description, so don't worry about that. It prices 1300, so a good investment from my end. Another product is this one. This is a jade roller. Jade roller and gua sha are two products that have been maybe included not so long back, क्योंकि these are very useful for sculpting your face muscles. तो बहुत अच्छा रहता है, like if you use it well, if you use it on a daily purpose, if not on a daily purpose, like sometimes. So this is a very good investment. This gives your face a really good massage, and I think it has been again a game changer in my skincare routine. I don't use it quite often because I want to, but somehow I missed it every day because of the busy schedule, you can say. But this is a very good investment, guys. Must buy. After that, let's come to the another product, which is a very, like, it's a little expensive, I know, but must buy. This is the one. This is an epilator by Philips. You can see it's a cord product. There is a cord, not cordless. Cordless bhi aata hai. You can buy cordless as well, which is battery operated, but I like this one more. Or I have been using it for quite some time, like more than 1.5 years, I guess, and it has been a very very good investment for me. एपिलेटर नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ मैं, इसका शेवर दो आएंगे अगर आप ये प्रोडक्ट बाय करोगे, जिसमें ये अपर पार्ट आपका चेंज हो जाता है, सो यू कैन जस्ट रिमूव इट एंड यू कैन यूज़ इट. दिस इज़ द शेवर विच आई यूज़. एंड एक एपिलेटर है, एपिलेटर बहुत पेन करता है. शेवर इज़ वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. कैसे भी आप, मैंने जब से ये खरीदा है ना, आई हैवंट डन वैक्सिंग. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे बाल हार्ड आ रहे हैं, हेयर ग्रोथ काफ़ी हार्ड है, या स्किन मेरी ख़राब हो गई है, कुछ नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन वेल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो यू कैन यूज़ इट इन योर अंडर आर्म्स, हैंड्स, लेग्स, एनीवेयर. मतलब कहीं भी कैसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट, गाइज. इट प्राइजेस 2600 रुपीज़, बट इट्स अ मस्ट बाय फॉर एनी गर्ल आउट देयर, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑफिस, कहीं पे भी जाना है आपको, इफ़ यू हैव टू गो एनीवेयर, तो एटलीस्ट वैक्स स्ट्रिप्स और इन सब से, तो बहुत बेटर है ये. सो इट्स अ मस्ट बाय, मस्ट 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 बाय. लास्ट टू प्रोडक्ट्स इन द लिस्ट, गाइस, सो हैंग ऑन विद मी. This is the one. This is a laptop bag by Caprese, and this is a very good bag. I really like the stuff. The stuff is very good, and the space is very good. Like laptop के purpose से it's very very nice. I really like this. बहुत अच्छी quality, amazing quality, classy look, एकदम solid black color with a ribbon, and it's amazing, guys. बहुत प्यारा बैग है. Must buy if you are looking for a laptop bag for a girls वाला perspective. I say girls को ऐसी ही चीज़ ज़्यादा पसंद होती है, मतलब not generalizing, but मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि ये चीज़ हमारे अटायर के साथ बहुत अच्छी जाती है. So this is what another thing. Another product and the last product in the list is this one. This is a bag. ये मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ नहीं किया है, तो ये थोड़ा फोल्ड हो गया, but this is a very good investment, guys. This is a bag that I bought. काफ़ी स्पेशियस बैग है, काफ़ी अच्छा बैग है फॉर ऑफिस, फॉर कॉलेज, फॉर एनी पर्पज दैट यू वांट टू बाय. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है, बहुत अमेजिंग क्वालिटी है, बहुत स्पेशियस है. लाइक पार्टीशन है, लाइक पीपल यूजुअली ट्राई टू कैरी अ बैग विद पार्टीशन सो दैट दे कैन सेपरेट देयर मटीरियल्स इन द बैग और ईजीली हम उनको एक्सेस कर सकें. और इसका एक बेस्ट पार्ट ये भी है कि ये लॉन्ग केबल के साथ भी आता है, सो यू कैन यूज़ इट एंड हैंग इट वेल. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है, लाइक मस्ट बाय. नॉट सो एक्सपेंसिव, 1500 तक की रेंज का ही है, नॉट सो एक्सपेंसिव, एंड अ मस्ट बाय प्रोडक्ट इन द लिस्ट. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope you liked the products that I have mentioned, and I hope कि आप इसमें से कुछ ना कुछ तो खरीद ही लोगे, क्योंकि सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी हैं, बहुत अमेजिंग है. I have been using all these products for quite a long time now, and I can really say that these products are really good, and you can buy all of these online. Bath and Body पे तो बल्कि ऑफर भी चल रहा है, so you can buy the product, maybe buy one get one भी हो सकता है. मतलब there are multiple offers running on the website. सो यू कैन बाय दोज. और नायका पे हॉट पिंक सेल स्टार्ट होने वाली है, तो आप उसमें भी अपने प्रोडक्ट्स शॉर्ट लिस्ट कर सकते हो. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू मेक अ video for Nykaa as well ki which products you can buy in this hot pink sale. So let me know if I should make it or not. Any kind of issue, any kind of like any topic that you want to make me a video upon, please let me know. And please keep loving, share this video so that your people who are near to you who should watch this will watch this. And thanks for connecting. Meet you next time. Bye bye.